Alright, Vintage Gang, what's going on? I know you guys seen the thumbnail, you seen the title. This was an accidental purchase, man. I say that just because, I was scrolling late at night and I was looking at some shoes that I ain't have, and I was like, man, let me go ahead and pull the trigger on something, but I wasn't fully with it. Like, I wasn't fully committed to spending $1,000 on some shoes. I went through the whole process of putting my address and everything. You know what you gotta do on StockX, and I hit purchase, and I woke up the next morning and I was like, what in the hell did I just do? So today, I'm gonna show you guys my most expensive purchase this year, and it happened to be from StockX. Now, I know you guys was like, why you shopping with StockX? Thought you wouldn't shop with StockX no more. And it was a big mistake. I don't know what I was thinking when I went through with this transaction. Like I said, I was watching some videos late at night. I was looking at some shoes I didn't have. And one thing led to another, and now I have this $1,000 sneaker in this box. So we're gonna pull this thing out, man. Before we get too deep into it, right now what I need you to do is subscribe right now, man. We just hit that 21K, man. Appreciate everybody that just joined the Vintage Game, man. It really means a lot. The goal is to only hit 20,000 subscribers this year. We went above and beyond that goal, man. We hit 21,000 subscribers just this morning, man. I appreciate all of the support. Thanks for everybody that's rocking with the channel, and I hope to see everybody that has joined the channel. Keep tuning into all the future content, man. All the live streams, all the challenges, all the pranks, anything that drops on the channel. And if you do not follow me over on IG at The Vintage World, man, make sure you do. It will be linked in the description box below. And like I said, guys, if you want some cheap shoes, it's not too late. It's Christmas Eve right now, but go shop devintageworld.bigcartel to save you a lot of money on some kicks, man. I had a couple shoes sold yesterday that I gotta ship out, so make sure y'all go shop devintageworld.bigcartel.com. But for all the shoes is gone, man. So let's jump into this box, man. Let's stop talking, let's get it. All right, here you have it, man. This thing came from DHL. I was expecting to get this one after Christmas, but it came before, and my whole mindset with this shoe right here, I promise you guys, it was a big mistake. It's going right back to StockX, and let them say I failed authentication. Y'all see me unboxing this brand new box, you know what I'm saying? I'm sending these right back to get my money back. I spent like $800 on this shoe, I believe. I think it came out to like $850 with shipping and everything like that. But we're gonna get into it, man. I know you guys can't tell what it is right now, but once we pull this thing out and flip it over, you're gonna be like, whoa, he did just drop a bag. Let's go ahead and pull it out real quick, throw the box out the way, and let's get into it, bro. Here you have it. Check it out. You guys should already know what it is, man. You see that tinted green box with the red jump, man. You guys should already know your boy dropped some money on some Travis Scotts, man. We're gonna read the official colorway real quick and size tag. Air Jordan 6 Retro SP, size 9. Fish colorway is the medium, olive, infrared, and black. You guys should know what it is, man. So let's go ahead and peel these things open and let's check them out. And I'm not too hyped about this shoe. I'm just hyped that I just wasted a whole bunch of money on some shoes that I really did not want. So I hope you guys feeling my pain when y'all see this sneaker, man. So here you have it. Okay, more paper. There you have it. Air Jordan 6 Travis Scott. Check it out. Check it out. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan over these shoes. I'm not gonna lie. I did a review on the channel. I did not do it on feet, and I'm sorry, guys. You guys still won't see it on feet today because, like I said, these things going right back to StockX. I spent $850 last week on a pair of shoes that I did not mean to do. But now we have them, and it's just like, do I really like them? Do I want to keep them? Since the money's already gone out of my account. So should I just keep these shoes, or should I sell them back to StockX, or what should I do? I'm still straight borderline, like about to send these back to StockX, put them back in the box, and sell it to the highest bidder for Air Jordan 6 Travis Scott. But like I said, nothing too crazy about the shoe. I just don't feel like it is worth the hype. I don't feel like it's worth $1,000. I don't think it's worth $850. But your boy dropped the bag. Like I said, it was very accidental. They clean, like they alright. They just nothing to be spending $850 on. So I think I'm gonna happily send these back. But I don't know. I'm on the fence, y'all. I'm not probably like, what the hell are you gonna do? You gonna keep them? You gonna sell them? And I'm on the fence, man. These shoes are very light, man. I don't know what's going on with these StockX. Come on now. Like I said, the quality on these sixes is very nice, very buttery. And when I was talking about these shoes in the review, I was like, they not too much better than the Air Jordan 6 Gatorades, the green Gatorades I dropped. The quality is like very, very similar, man. But of course, you throw a name on it like Travis Scott. He was hyped this year. He was hyped all last year. They gave us Air Jordan 6, and people will go crazy over these things, man. And look what I did. I spent $850 on this shoe. I'm probably like, show the receipt, show the receipt. I'm gonna show you guys the receipt so you guys know I'm not capping. So here you have it right here, $855, man. Let me go ahead and turn this brightness down real quick for you guys. You guys see it, $855, man. Crazy. That is never going to happen again. Of course, you guys do know we got extra laces, the yellow and the black. If it was me, I think I'm gonna have to throw the black in there, just kind of offset it a little bit. I usually try to match my shoes with like the tongue or the toe box, whichever one I feel like is better. I'm not trying to keep the green in there if I did keep them and have an all over olive shoe, because right now the shoe just look like a regular Air Jordan 6. You won't even know that's a Travis Scott unless you throw them and you turn them around on the back and you see that Cactus Jack back there, man. So nothing crazy, nothing too spectacular to me. Of course, you got the pockets and stuff like that. You guys already seen 1,000 reviews. I just wanted to come to you guys and show you that your boy spent a lot of money on these shoes, and it was a big accident. It was a big mistake. Make sure you watch what you put bids in for. Make sure you watch what you clicking and what you buying, because it ain't no returns. You cannot return nothing to StockX. The only thing you can do is sell the shoe back that you bought. And I even tried to email and I was like, man, I got the wrong sizes for my little brother. They was like, well, just sell it back. I was like, oh my God. So your boy got to go through the whole process of putting them back in the package, sending them back, waiting till they get authenticated again to get my money back, man. So hopefully I see right around that $850 back in my account. But if not, these things still going back, man. So I appreciate everybody for tuning in to my biggest mistake ever on StockX. I spent so much money and all it took was a couple of taps, and now they here, man. And all that money is going out my account, but it's all good, man. If I want to keep them, I would. But honestly, it's just not a shoe that I am really that big into. But you never know. You never know. Would this be in my top 10 sneaker pickups of the year? I don't know. It is a pickup, and it is one of the most hyped up shoes that released this year in 2019, man. Right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe if you have not subscribed already, man. Hit the like button right now for your boy. Follow me over on IG at DEVINTAGE World, man. The link will be in the description box below. As always, have those notification bells on so you never miss anything that drops on the channel, man. And go shop devintageworld.bigcartel.com, which will be linked down below so you can go buy some cheap shoes. Thanks for listening to me rant. Thanks for listening to me cry to you guys. But like I said, this was a big mistake, and they will be going back to StockX as soon as its price hikes up a little bit more, you feel me? So I appreciate all of the support. Thanks for tuning in. And with all that being said, I'm going to catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.